So if you think about the fixed costs for an employee, that's really what it costs to own the vehicle. So whether or not it leaves the garage, they have insurance, taxes, license, registration, and depreciation. So an employee would get a fixed rate every single month. And then their variable costs are really their operating cost. So that's really what it costs, when they're out on the road and driving and visiting clients and doing their job. So that's going to include fuel, maintenance, and tires. So for every business mile that they drive, they will get a variable reimbursement. Now, both the fixed and the variable are going to be based on that geographical location, how much they drive, and then what we call a standard-based vehicle. Essentially, from a company standpoint, you'll base it off of a vehicle you think is fair for them to do their job, and then we'll calculate it based off of that. Now, both the fixed and the variable are going to be 100% tax-free, so tax-free to the company as well as to the employee.